Installing electrical systems. A residential electrician works in the home, installing electrical systems and wiring to keep homes safe and operating. This professional will use various testing devices and problem-solving techniques to ensure that municipal code requirements are met. He or she will also use hand tools and power tools, read blueprints, and use various codes to make sure that power is distributed safely. A good residential electrician should also be friendly and able to work under pressure. To become a residential electrician, you should be well educated and skilled in reading blueprints. A residential electrician should be licensed and have experience in the electrical industry. These electricians are required to follow the highest safety standards. These professionals will never cut corners and will be familiar with the building codes. Furthermore, they should have a surety bond to protect their clients from being cheated. This ensures that the electrician will finish the job correctly. This type of work is highly specialized and requires a skilled electrician. Types of electrical installations. A residential electrician should be able to handle all types of electrical installations. The task can involve dozens of feeders, devices, and equipment. The job is highly technical. Many of these electrical systems depend on electricity to operate properly. Some of these devices include air conditioners and appliances. The demand for residential electricians is predicted to increase in the future as more homes utilize solar energy. This is not a career for everyone, but if you love electrical work, a career as a residential electrician is right for you. A residential electrician is required to follow a code book that is based on the National Electrical Code. A residential electrician may work at a single location or in multiple locations. They may inspect existing wiring or troubleshoot issues. They may also be asked to train apprentices. A residential electrician is a professional who is certified and licensed to perform electrical projects. A Michigan-registered electrical contractor must adhere to the National Electrical Code and state and local building codes. Professional residential electrician. A residential electrician has a number of responsibilities. He will run cables and Romex. A residential electrician will be responsible for all these functions. Whether he installs lights or powering a home, he will also advise the homeowner on how to install and connect new electrical lines and equipment. This is a very important role for an electrician. If a homeowner wants a good home, he can hire a reliable and professional residential electrician. The duties of a residential electrician include diagnosing and fixing electrical problems in residential buildings. A residential electrician will also install electrical wiring. A good understanding of electrical regulations and blueprints is essential for a residential electrician. Additionally, a residential electronics technician must be considerate of the privacy of customers. A good communication skills are essential. If you don't like to communicate with your customers, you should consider becoming a commercial electrician. Types of electrical systems. A residential electrician should also know the different types of electrical systems. They must be familiar with all the different types of electrical systems and their functioning. A commercial electrician is responsible for putting in a lot of work and may have to hire a residential electrician to complete the work. A residential electrician may work in a large building, but should always be aware of the dangers of working with electricity. He should also be familiar with the electrical system in order to provide assistance in emergencies. A residential electrician may be involved in installing security systems, air conditioning units, and other electrical systems in residential buildings. The career can be lucrative, and the average salary of a residential electrician is $55,000 per year, which is nearly 10% more than the average for all construction jobs. As a result of their ability to diagnose electrical problems, an electrician can earn a high salary. There are also several types of opportunities in this career. You can work for a construction company or set up a small business for yourself. Maintaining electrical systems is important for industrial and commercial sectors, where you will work on troubleshooting and maintenance. In addition to residential electrical systems, electricians are responsible for installing and maintaining electrical lines in residential buildings. They will also maintain and troubleshoot existing systems. There are 20 types of electricians in the country, and some specialize in different fields. Typical duties include installing, troubleshooting, and upgrading a residence's electrical system. A journeyman electrician will typically work for a company, and be an employee of a construction company.